Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's your boy B87 checking back in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood stock market investment account. Now, happy holidays first and foremost to everyone. I hope you're being safe, and I hope that you're enjoying this time with either your friends, your family, or even just taking care of yourself in your own personal needs. But with that said, let me just show you the current value of my stock market portfolio. After that, we're going to go into each and every stock that I hold in my Robinhood investment account, and we're going to see what my total returns are. So as you can see right now, I have $29,000 invested in the stock market, and as of today, my portfolio is up $500. For the past week, my stock market portfolio is up over $2,000. And for the past year, with the whole pandemic included, my Robinhood stock market investment account is up over $9,000. And that is just due to me consistently adding into my portfolio by buying more shares of the companies that I hold, as well as the dividends that I receive from my stock holdings. I just reinvest them into my portfolio. But yes, as you can see, it has been very great. But with, just discipline and consistency, you too can also be making money in the stock market. But let's go ahead and check out what I have. So first and foremost, as you can see, I have Tesla. I have 8 shares of Teslas. In total return, I am up over $4,000 in my Tesla holdings. Then we have Apple. I have 20 shares of Apple, and I am up over $1,200 in Apple. After that, we have Microsoft. I have 10 shares of Microsoft, and I'm up over $1,100 in Microsoft. We then have Bank of America. I have 25 shares of Bank of America, and I'm up over $450. We then have Hercules Capital. I have 106 shares of Hercules Capital, and I'm up over $390. We then have HP, ticker symbol HPQ. I have 20 shares, and I'm up over $360. Then we have Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. I have 15 shares of Pfizer, and I'm up over $280. We then have the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO. I have a little over 1 share, and I'm up $150. Then we have UGI Corp. I have 19 shares of UGI, and I'm up $152. We then have the monthly playing REIT, Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I have 11 shares, and I'm up $134. Next, we have MSC Industrial Direct. I have 7 shares, and I'm up $115. Then we have Nike. I have 1 share of Nike, and I'm up $93. Now we have Starbucks. I have 2 shares of Starbucks, and I'm up $86. We then have Nucor. I have 2 shares of Nucor, and I'm up over $126. After that, we have Enterprise Products. That's ticker symbol EPD. I have 20 shares of EPD, and I'm up $43. We then have Eli Lilly. I have 1 share, and I'm up over $114. We then have Rexford Industrial Realty. I have 4 shares, and I'm up $144. Then we have Comcast. I have 5 shares of Comcast, and I'm up $77. After that, A.O. Smith. I have 3 shares of A.O. Smith, and I'm up $107. Then Camden Property Trust. I have 1 share of Camden Property Trust and I'm up $88. Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. I have 10 shares of Coca-Cola and I'm up $73. Then we have Cisco Systems. I have 4 shares and I'm up $86. After that, we have JP Morgan Chase. I have 1 share and I'm up $57. Then we have California Water. That's ticker symbol CWT. I have 6 shares and I'm up $100. Then we have Johnson & Johnson. 2 shares and I'm up $69. After that, we have Walmart. I have 1 share and I'm up $28. Then we have Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. I have 2 shares and I'm up $83 in Procter & Gamble. Then we have Essential Utilities. I have 2 shares and I'm up $10. Then we have Flowers Foods. I have 10 shares of Flowers Foods and I'm up $35. And the last stock that I hold in my Robinhood investment account is TC Energy. I have 3 shares and I'm up $9. So that concludes all the companies that I have in my Robinhood investment account. As you can see, I do hold a lot of companies. And the reason why I hold so many companies is because I believe when invested in the stock market, diversity is the key. So you want to be invested in just a number of different as far as sectors, just so you can make sure if one sector is down, another sector could be up and equally, balance it out. So I hold technology companies, such as Apple, Microsoft. I have finance companies such as Bank of America, Hercules Capital. I have medical companies such as Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Eli Lilly. I have real estate companies such as Realty Income. I also believe Camden Property Trust. I have, consumer companies as well, Nike, Starbucks. I also have, as far as utility companies as well, utility companies such as UGI, Nucor, utilities material, and even, energy companies such as, TC Energy, as well as enterprise products. Just again, a number of different companies. You want to spread your money around when investing in the stock market. At least spread your money around so it can be diverse. You don't want to just invest too much into one particular company, because that's how you can be exposed, just in case, to the downside of the market. But all in all, consistency is key. Make sure when you're investing in the stock market, you want to buy good blue chip companies, because that's what I believe in. I invest in good companies that I know will survive this test of time. Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Nike, those companies, I know they're going to be here for the long term. So that's why I invest in them. And I really do urge you to be investing in these companies as well. Don't be afraid to invest in the stock market. You're really missing out on a lot of gains. Again, as I mentioned, for the past year, my portfolio is up very greatly, and that's just from being consistent in investing in the stock market. So that's definitely something you want to do too. $29,000 invested in the stock market. This is, the most money I've ever had access to. And again, I've done this by just being consistent with my investing. So I hope that you do as well. So if you're not investing in the stock market, make sure you do so. I'll have a link in my description box for you to download the Robinhood app, and you can start investing on your very own. If you don't want to do Robinhood, I'll also have a Webull link. You can download that and you can get some free stock investing in Webull, as well as if you click the link for Robinhood, you can get a free stock with that one as well. I'll also have a Coinbase link, so you can download that and you can start trading some cryptocurrency. As you know, I'm sure, Bitcoin is doing very well, so you don't want to be missing out on that either. So I hope you liked this video. And if you have any of these companies, go ahead and drop a comment. I'd appreciate that as well, just to see what you all hold as well. And again, if you're by not investing in the stock market, you're really missing out on a great way to grow your wealth. And like I said, just the stock market is definitely a pillar and having your money work for you, because ultimately that's what you want to do. So like the video, please subscribe to the page, and go ahead and get you some free stock by clicking that Robinhood link in the Weibo link, and you can start investing today. 2022 is right around the corner, and if you have not been investing in the stock market already, that's definitely something that you're going to want to do for this upcoming year. Other than that, take care, everybody. Again, I hope your holidays are treating you very well, and I look forward to the prosperity that we all will receive. Bye, everyone.